Namaste. I am Biju Sebastian from Ahmedabad. I am a global money consciousness facilitator. Yesterday we have started Biju's Money Academy with a mission and vision of teaching money to the entire globe. Teaching money, what is money and how can we earn money by learning money. That is my sole purpose by instituting this Biju's Money Academy. And this entire process is based on this book, Love Money, Money Loves You. This is my foundation. This has changed my entire perception about life, entire perception about money. How can we earn money? That I learned by this book. This book is written by Sarah Makram, and this is a channeled book by Money. Money talks to us through this book. Let me read the first chapter of this book. You will get more insight about what it's all about and how this book changed my life. Just listen. What money would like to say to you? What money would like to say to you? I would like to say to you to love me. Money says to you to love me. Smile at me, collect me, enjoy me, feel my power. Spend me, invest me, give me, pay with me, take me. I am an energy. I am very powerful and beautiful. I am an incredible web of connections. What is money? What did you say? Money is evil. Money is sin. Money is the root cause of all the problems in our life. Money is stress. Money is strain. Money is poverty. We all have that point of views. Lot of point of views about money. What money says, I would like to say, or I would like to tell you to love me, smile at me, collect me, enjoy me, feel my power, spend me, invest me, give me, pay with me, take me. I am an energy. I am very powerful and beautiful. I am an incredible web of connections. This is money says. I am light. I am not dirty. You are too afraid of me, as you are of many things. You can open up and embrace me fully into your life. It is not too late. You can start now. Just open yourself and say yes. Be brave. Love me. Love yourself so you can accept my power, my glory, my light, my beauty. I am not the devil. I never have been. I am a glorious being of light. I connect human beings with each other. I am so flexible. You can use me to channel your creativity. Just go ahead. I am waiting for you. You must open your heart. You are too rigid, too afraid, and there is nothing to be afraid of. You will win, not only me, but life also. I'm always here to help you. Just accept me and I will come to you very quickly. There is a lot of me waiting for you. You have chosen to have more. Don't wait. Just take me. I will love you. This is what this book says to us. Now, money is my girlfriend. Those who know me You know that how my growth scale is. I implemented each and every point of this book. This book is of 69 chapters, and 69 chapters are the 69 treasures into our life. Just implement these principles into your life and change your life, just like I changed my life. It is an open challenge for you all. For you want any testimony, or you want any proof, you can call me up. You can contact me up. You can join my Facebook group. It is Biju's Money Academy. Biju's Money Academy will teach you money, teach you what is money, teach you what is life. I'm the guarantee. You can change your life, and this is a challenge for you. It is up to you. It is up to you only, whether you have to be there in the comfort zone as you are earlier until now, or you have to be a millionaire. You can be a millionaire. I am on the way to be a millionaire. You can join me in my journey to be a millionaire, and most welcome to join with me in this journey of money. I've given Facebook group link, and my contact number is +91 93 28 47 4718. 93 28 47 4718. You can contact me, and we are starting this journey from 1st August onwards. That's also into all the regional languages of India and all other languages in the globe. All, yes, my mother tongue is Malayalam. I learned this book in English, and we are starting with Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Gujarati, Russian, Urdu, Persian. These all languages are already booked. We are starting the journey from 1st of August. Join me and change your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you.